Hey everybody, it's Caitlin. We're doing Breif Exercise 311 from Chapter 3. This is found in Homework 2, at least for me it is. The problem is, from the ledger balances below, prepare a trial balance for Faro Company at June 30th, 2017, noting that all account balances are normal. First things we need to start off with, date it so that we know when this what date this trial balance is for. That's June 30th, 2017. Now we start listing our accounts and their normal balances in the correct column. I'm going to start with cash. Cash's normal balance is a debit because it's an asset. So we're going to debit cash $5,770. Next, I'm going to list accounts receivable. It's also an asset, so we will debit $2,580 there. Next, I'm going to do equipment, which is also an asset, so we will debit $13,190 there. I'm going to move on to accounts payable now. Now, accounts payable is a liability, and a liability has a normal balance of a credit. So we're going to credit accounts payable $1,370. Next, I'm going to do common stock, which has a normal balance of a credit. So we will credit that $18,000. Next, I want to do dividends. Dividends has a normal balance of a debit, so we will debit there $1,530. And next we're going to do service revenue. Revenues have a normal balance of a credit, so we will list that there, $8,790 to credit. Next we're going to do salaries and wages expense. And expenses have a normal balance of a debit. So we'll put $3,670 debited, as well as rent expense, which is also debited. We will debit $1,420. Okay, I just quickly removed the decimals so that's easier to read for you. Next, we're going to total each of our columns. We're going to total our debit column, which is pretty easy in Excel. We're going to go and hit sum. We're going to do this range of numbers. We're going to hit enter, and it's 28,160. We're going to do the same for the credit. Which equals the same amount, which means that we have properly entered and prepared a trial balance sheet. And I went ahead and did this problem just to make sure I was right. I hope that's understandable and made sense to everybody. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you and hopefully be able to answer. Thanks guys. Have a good day.